Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix the login status exception error on Tower of Fantasy game. So, the first thing you should do is try reopen Tower of Fantasy launcher. For do it, open Task Manager, then right-click on Tower of Fantasy and select End Task. Now, open Tower of Fantasy launcher, then play the game normal and see the problem is fixed. The next thing you should do is restart your device. After restart is done, try play Tower of Fantasy and see the problem is fixed. Logging out and back in again would be the next method that you should try. Open TOF launcher. Right-click on the three dashes icon in the top right, then select Log Out. After that, log in again and play like normal. And finally, if the simple fixes above don't work, try to log into the game on other device, for example, on mobile. If that work, after that, close the app on your phone and try your PC again.